Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Humada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can install a library into the software and how we can delete it. Okay, so let's go to the software. So the first thing is to know where are all the libraries for our software. So if you go to Tools, Library Repository, here you can find all the libraries that you have installed. Okay, in my case, I have already this one, and I'm going to delete it. So in order to delete this, we just need to select uninstall, and that's it. There is no more third-party libraries. In order to check which are the ones that came from the system, in the location system, here you can find all the things that came with the software. Okay. Now, if you want to install a library that came from another colleague, another company, or whatever, just need to select install, select the library that someone shared with you. In my case, I usually use the compile, close, and that's it. It's installed in or ready to be used in your Machine Expert software, but not in your project because you need to call it. So in order to call it and use it in your project, you just need to go to the Tools tree, go to the Library Manager, and here just need to select Add Library. You need to find the library. In my case, it's going to be RTA, this one, okay, and then they will be called here in the system. There we go, okay. And then you just need to use it in your project. But this is how you can import or install in your software the libraries, any kind of libraries that are compatible with Machine Expert, of course, how you can install it and uninstall it for the Machine Expert. Then you need to import it into your, or call it in your project, otherwise you will not be able to use it in your application. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.